Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new wallet in Tonkeeper. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Tonkeeper app on your phone. Then you click on the top wallet option, which is this option. Click on this, then there will be a drop down for the list of wallets that we have. You can see I have 2 wallets. I'm just going to add another wallet. So from there, if I have existing wallet, I can quickly bring in the 24 secret phrase word code that was sent to you or copied by you into a particular folder. So if you don't have, you can simply create a new one. From here, you create your password. Okay, which is this. Your password, then you enable the notification, then give access to it. Then after that, you can simply choose your wallet name. You can name your wallet. Let me call it Neymar. Okay, good. Save. From here, I can also choose stickers. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna keep this sunlight, then I'm gonna tap on save. And you can see right here, this is how you can add a new wallet in Tonkeeper. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.